Welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Today, we're diving into jamun farming. Also known as Indian blackberry or black plum, jamun is celebrated for its health benefits and unique flavor. Native to the Indian subcontinent, it's a staple in traditional medicine and cuisine. Let's explore how to cultivate this remarkable fruit step by step. Jamun trees are hardy and adaptable, thriving in tropical and subtropical climates. They are known for their dense foliage, fragrant flowers, and, of course, their juicy, dark purple fruits. The trees can grow up to 30 meters tall and live for over a century, making them a long-term investment for any farmer. Selecting the right location is crucial for a successful jamun orchard. Jamun trees prefer well-drained, sandy loam soil with a pH between 5.5 and 7.5. They thrive in areas with full sunlight, although they can tolerate partial shade. Before planting, prepare the soil by plowing and harrowing to remove weeds and ensure good aeration. Incorporate organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil with nutrients. If the soil is acidic, consider adding lime to adjust the pH level. Jamun can be propagated through seeds, but grafting is preferred for better yield and quality, spaced 10 to 12 meters apart. The best time for planting is during the monsoon season when the soil is moist. In the initial stages, young jamun plants need regular watering and protection from pests and diseases. Mulching around the base of the plants helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Apply a balanced fertilizer to support growth, but avoid over-fertilization as it can harm the plants. Pruning is essential to shape the tree, remove dead or diseased branches, and promote better air circulation. Train the tree to have a strong central leader and well-spaced lateral branches. Regular pruning during the dormant season will ensure a healthy and productive tree. Jamun trees are relatively drought-tolerant once established, but require consistent watering during the first few years. Drip irrigation is an efficient method to provide the necessary moisture without water wastage. Reduce watering during the fruiting season to enhance the sweetness of the fruits. Jamun fruits are typically ready for harvest 8 to 10 years after planting. The fruits ripen during the summer months and should be picked when fully mature and deep purple. Harvesting is usually done by hand to avoid damage to the fruits and the tree. And that's a wrap on jamun farming. From selecting the perfect location to harvesting and handling, each step is crucial in ensuring a bountiful harvest of these nutritious fruits. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a beginner, growing jamun can be a rewarding experience. Stay tuned to Discover Agriculture for more insightful and engaging content. Happy farming!